So today I'm going to show you how to make some puff pastry little shapes. So we're going to do a diamond, a pinwheel and a flower. And these can be made into either sweet or savoury versions. So first of all, you take your puff pastry and you want to roll it out into, this is a rectangle at the moment, but I'm going to cut it to size so that it's into squares. And we want it to be about 10 centimetre squares when we come to make our different shapes. So just roll it out so it's nice and even. Thickness, probably about as thick, bit thicker than the blade on the palette knife. You don't want them too thick, otherwise your pastry will be raw in the middle. So I'm going to use my ruler then, and I'm just going to trim the edges first of all. So cutting down one side, and then I'm going to go across to measure 10 centimetres, so which is there, and then I'm going to cut down that side. And then each square I'm going to use is going to be 10 centimetres in width. Stop. Okay, so take your square, this is to make the diamond shape, and then turn it into a diamond. Then you're going to just fold it over in half into a triangle shape, okay? And then we're going to take a sharp knife and we're going to cut sort of a centimetre in from the edge of the pastry on both sides. So we've cut that through, making sure that you've cut through the inside layer of the pastry. Then you're going to open your square back up, and then you're going to fold the one side down to meet the other point of the triangle, and the second side is going to just gently separate if they're not completely open, is going to be folded up to meet the other half. I just need to cut the point of my square there to release it. Whoops. So then we fold the other section up. So then we've got a nice shape and a nice twist going on in the middle. So just pull that down to the edge and then just press that down lightly. So you've got a lovely diamond shape and a little puff at either side. And then in the middle then you can either put some cream cheese or Nutella if you're making a sweet version, or jam, or for savoury you could use ordinary cream cheese or pesto. There's lots of different options. If you're doing the sweet version, I've just got some sweetened cream cheese here that I've mixed with a little bit of sugar and some vanilla just for extra flavour. And then I'm going to pop in an orange segment in the middle. Then you need to carefully lift that up with your palette knife and pop it on your baking tray, which has been lined with greaseproof paper. You'll notice on the tray already that I have got a couple of examples already of some savoury ones. So this is the diamond shape. I've made the square slightly bigger for this version, but that diamond has got caramelised onion. So the next one I'm going to make is a flower. So you take your square, again you need to cut all around the inside with a sharp knife. So probably it's about ½ centimetre away from the edge of the pastry. I'm going to cut all around like so. And then, so I've spread some Nutella around the pastry, and then I'm going to put blueberries in each section, each sort of quarter, and one in the middle. And then you take your pastry and sort of fold it in and then around the blueberries. In fact, it's easier to pop the blueberries either side. Into the middle and in to the middle. My middle blueberry needs to move. Ouch. And there we have a flower. Okay, to make the pinwheel, you take a square of pastry and then you cut from the corner into the middle so that you're cutting your pastry into 4 triangles, but you're still leaving the middle section joined together. You're then going to take one corner, so if we go for the left one every time, press it into the middle. So take this one into the middle, this one into the middle, and this one into the middle. And so then you've got a pinwheel effect, so a bit like a Catherine wheel. And then you put a blob of either your Nutella or your soft cheese in the middle, like so. If you find your Nutella sticking to the spoon, you can get a jug of warm water and dip your spoon in there, and that'll stop the Nutella from sticking. And then I'm going to put an orange slice in the middle, and there we have a pinwheel. So on our tray now we've got a selection of each of the three shapes with a variety of different toppings. So we have cream cheese and tomato flour, cream cheese and tomato diamond, and the pinwheel. And then we've got the diamond with sweet cream cheese with sugar and vanilla in. And then we've got a couple of flowers with Nutella and blueberries, and a pinwheel with Nutella and orange. These then go in the oven at 200 degrees for about 15 minutes.